Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to check the Venom H20 DJI HD, a very cool looking 2-inch micro hexacopter by Flywoo. In this quick video I'm going to go over its features and specs, give you my feedback after testing it out and show you some flight footage. First of all, the Venom H20 is available in two versions. The version that I'm going to test in this video is the DJI version, which is equipped with a naked version of the Cadex Vista digital transmission system, which means that it is compatible with the DJI digital transmission system, and the other version, which I'm not sure that it's going to be available right away, comes with a Voxnell digital video transmitter, which is compatible with the new Avatar system. In addition, both versions are available with multiple radio receiver options, camera mounts, and accessories, so when purchasing the drone, you'll be able to choose which one suits you best. In terms of packaging, here you can see everything that came inside the box of the Venom 20 HD. So in addition to the drone, you are getting a spare battery Velcro strap, a card that shows you how to install the propellers, two sets of Gemfin D51 propellers, which means that you only get 2 spare propellers because 6 propellers are going to be installed on the drone. You're also getting zip ties, spare screws and nuts, and a Flywoo sticker. As for its specs, the H20 HD features 6 Flywoo NIN 1203 Pro 4850 kV motors, which will provide you with plenty of power and can handle up to 4S batteries when pushing these 5-bladed propellers. In order to achieve a smaller form factor, the center, right and left motors are in a pusher configuration, and on top of each motor, covered by a 3D printed TPU part, you can find an LED. On the center of the frame, you can find the Flywoo GoCo Hex F745 stack, which is based on a 6-in-1 BLLES 13A ESC and an F7 flight controller. On top of it, mounted to the top plate, you can find a naked Vista unit. Since this is the DJI version, an Express LRS radio receiver is pre-mounted to the flight controller since I've got the Express LRS binded fly version. The battery is mounted on the bottom of the frame and it's using an XT30 battery connector. The antenna of the Express LRS radio receiver is mounted on the top plate using this 3D printed TPU part, which also helps to secure the atomic LHCP antenna, which is connected to the Vista unit. In addition, the H20 HD is equipped with 4 stands that are going to keep the bottom 2 motors off the ground. The DJI version is equipped with the Cadex FPV Polar Nano digital camera. The action camera is going to be mounted on the top plate using a 3D printed TPU part, which, as I mentioned before, is available separately. And on the released version, a plug which will enable you to power an action camera is going to be pre-soldered to the flight controller. As for its weight, on its own, the Venom H20 HD weighs 97.8 grams. Including an Insta360 Go-To camera, it weighs 123.9 grams. Including a 300 mAh 4S LHV battery, which is going to make the Venom H20 HD very agile and provide you with about 3 minutes of flight time without an Insta360 Go-To camera, the total weight is 139.7 grams. Including a 600 mAh 4S LHV battery, the total weight is about 153 grams, and the flight time is going to be between 4 to 5 minutes, including an Insta360 Go-To camera, depending of course on how you fly. Including a 750 mAh 4S LiPo battery, which is probably the biggest battery that you'll be able to accommodate on the bottom of the drone. The total weight is about 180 grams, and in case you are just going to cruise around, it will enable you to fly for about 8 minutes while carrying an Insta360 Go-To camera. The next thing that I've done is to head outdoors and test the Flywoo Venom H20 HD. Overall, after testing it out, I can tell you that this is a very fun to fly little hexacopter. It's definitely going to stand out and draw some attention thanks to its unique design. The pre-tune that it came with works great, so you won't need to mess around with PID tuning, which can be quite challenging, especially for non-standard setups such as a hexacopter. In addition, it is relatively quiet. The Polar Nano camera is going to enable you to fly under low light conditions. It packs plenty of power, so it will be able to easily carry a lightweight action camera while not reducing the flight time dramatically, as it features a very efficient setup. Pay attention that in case you are going to purchase the DJI version, since this is a naked Vista unit, it is going to overheat quite quickly. So in case you need to power it on the bench, make sure that it gets plenty of airflow using a ventilator. After arming the drone, make sure to take off immediately and preferably leave the output power on 200 milliwatts or below. Now I'm going to wrap up this video with some flight footage. And by the way, pay attention that the final version is going to be equipped with propeller guards, which is going to, of course, better protect the propellers and the motors. These are going to be molded plastic propeller guards, and I might get to test them soon. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video. As always, I thank you for watching it. In case you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye. Did it.